Let's make a cool PowerPoint animation. First, grab a circle shape from the Shapes menu and stick it on the slide. Make 2 copies of it by holding down Ctrl as you click and drag. Then, resize the last 2 circles to make them bigger. Next, copy an image you want to use and right-click on the last circle. Select Format Shape and then Picture Fill. Change the color of the first circle to something you like. Click on the middle circle and double-click to add your text. Now, duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. Make the circle on this slide bigger and move it to the center. Go back to the first slide and select everything. Then, go to Shape Format and Align Center. With both slides selected, go to Transitions and click on Morph. That's it.